Happy Monday, everyone, and thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. And over the next couple of days, we may be dealing with some severe weather concerns in the eastern half of the country as two completely different systems push through. Still wet in the western U.S., but that moisture is beginning to taper a little bit, and we are going to be trending cooler here across the nation as we head into the second half of the month. But today we have a slight risk of severe weather over the mid-Atlantic states and a marginal threat stretching into parts of Kentucky and Tennessee. There's a marginal threat over the central plains in the Midwest from a new system that will be intensifying a little further yet on Tuesday. So we have a slight risk from southern Wisconsin through Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and even northern Kentucky. But the marginal threat stretching all the way down into the Tennessee Valley. So again, today and tomorrow still could be a little bit on the unsettled side. Here's our shower and thunderstorm threat. Again, fairly minimal, but maybe intensifying a little bit as we take you into the mid-Atlantic states by the afternoon and evening. Watching that secondary area of low pressure developing and becoming more intense as we head into Tuesday, of course, with that shower and thunderstorm threat really taking hold of the Ohio Valley and parts of the western Great Lakes region again by Tuesday night, early Wednesday. Notice how this area of low pressure starts to kind of wind up over the upper Mississippi Valley, bringing down some cooler air, and that may switch over some of the rain to snow. But total amounts of liquid over a 5-day period there approaching 1 to 2+ inches. Still some pretty decent moisture to the south, not quite as heavy as it was last week, and we're also seeing that moisture taper a little bit over the western U.S., but still some pretty decent snowfall over a 5-day period in the central of the northern Rockies, the northern Cascades, even seeing some snow along the northern tier of the nation. 6 to 10-day temperature outlook again shows a good chance of below average temperatures here through the middle and end of this upcoming month as we approach the actual start to spring. Temperatures now beginning to cool to the west, but still in the eastern half of the country we're above average by several degrees here. 60s along the Front Range, 86 in Dallas, and 81 in New Orleans.